Try one. Easy. Don't break it. Wow.
Alright. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Lee Life, and today we are going to show you guys how to make McDonald's fries at home.
So we looked literally everywhere for a fry cutter.
Of all places to find a fry cutter, the one store that had it was Dick's Sporting Goods.
We did curbside, so we got that today.
Sporting Goods.
Of all things, we could be at Dick's Sporting Goods for where they're getting a fry cutter.
They probably were like, what in the world?
The dude came out, he was like, what did he say?
He said, "Do you guys have a fry? Did you guys have a fry cutter?"
Like, yeah. I should have been like, yeah, I bet you ain't never saw none of these before.
No, they had one in stock.
In case you're wondering what a Dick's Sporting Goods fry cutter looks like.
It cuts two different sides of the potatoes too.
Try and tell them where we're seeing this idea from.
So we saw this idea from.
Can I open it?
I think it's Cooking with Shotgun Red.
Oh yeah, so credits to Shotgun Red for giving us this idea. Let's get into it.
So the ingredients and the things needed to make McDonald's fries at home: corn syrup, potatoes, fry cutter, sugar. It's corn syrup and sugar.
Hi guys. And 12 cups of water.
And
water.
Hi, what are you doing?
I guess we're gonna get to it and we'll see what we come up with.
Hi guys,
Let's get into it, guys.
Okay, so we got 5 potatoes. We're going to peel those because we don't want any kind of skin on them whenever we put them through the fry cutter. So.
And that would be like Wendy's fries, which that's pretty cool.
AKA step number 1.
I got this. It's really sharp.
You have to be careful because if she cuts it off, it's going to bleed all over the potato.
This fry cutter's pretty neat with a skirt. It has suction cups on the bottom.
So like it won't move.
So like, yeah.
It's super duper stable. It's a real nice fry cutter.
Yeah, it's really good quality.
Where's the other grate at?
Some people say it good, some people say bad. Right here.
It has 2 grates so you can make small fries and bigger fries.
We got the small one in.
And the small one is like the exact size of the McDonald's, so we don't even have to like cut or anything.
Yeah, in the video he had to hand cut his. Because his wasn't the right size. But there's a little skin, it's okay.
Yeah, because sometimes McDonald's has skin like that.
I peeled.
You smell it?
Be really careful, Mama, with your fingers. Is it okay to eat raw potatoes?
They're disgusting.
But is it okay to eat them?
I mean, yeah.
Is it okay to eat the
Can I try it?
No, it's gross.
Alright, we're done with the first step, on to the second step.
I'm about to see how good this fry cutter really is, so. I cut the ends off, so just push right through, so.
Here goes nothing.
And I have it on the right blade, so.
Strong.
Gosh, I got him.
Sound like it broke.
Look.
Charlene says she can do this.
I bet you I can. I have enough strength.
Let's see what happens. Go for it.
Don't break it. Try one. Easy. Don't break it.
Good, Charlene.
What's she gonna break it?
Oh, I want to do it. Ooh. I want to do it.
Wow.
Alright. Charlene failed.
How did you make the suction cup come off?
Wait, what?
Charlene failed.
It wasn't stick no more. You gotta do like an ice bath for 5 minutes in cold water. It just gets all the starch off the potatoes.
So Tiffany, you gotta write like a script. She can never remember what to say.
But
She just start doing the next step without saying.
we did way more potatoes than I thought.
This fry cutter would be awesome, but it's all plastic, so it's really
not like durable feeling.
it's really weak.
Yeah.
If you get a fry cutter, definitely get all metal if you can.
Yeah. We were just like, there was none
Local.
so we kind of had to do with what we could find. I mean, I'm just surprised they have it. Okay, so these have been soaking about 5 minutes. I'm gonna pour the water out and then you pat dry the fries. And then we're gonna put them on the stove. That's 12 cups of water. You put half a cup of corn syrup, half a cup of sugar, and then you get to a boil. We're gonna put the fries in for 10 minutes and then get them out. Okay, so the water's boiling with the corn syrup and the sugar. We're gonna put these in and cut the heat off, and they stay here for 10 minutes. Okay, so we just blanched the fries in the water, corn syrup, and sugar mixture for 10 minutes. What do we do next?
Now we have to put it in the freezer for 20 minutes.
And that part sounds kind of weird, but apparently that's like super important to get like the perfect fries. So
The McDonald's.
yeah. Okay, so I just got these out of the freezer. They were there for 20 minutes. I'm about to put them in the deep fryer. It's on 350. We do it for 2 minutes, and then we take them back out and let them cool for 10 minutes, and then put them back in for 7 minutes. So that's what we're about to do. All right, we're taking these out. We're gonna dump them on the pan and pat them off, and then they're gonna go back in for 7 more minutes after they cool for 10 minutes. Okay, so we're on the final step. These have been cooling off for about 10 minutes now, but we have to put them back in here for 7 more minutes, and then they'll be totally done.
Yeah, and then after we'll show you guys us reviewing it.
Such a process for these, isn't it? Now the final verdict.
Moment we've been waiting for.
Da 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 da.
My dad just squirted all over.
Yeah, I'm not that type of person.
I usually eat McDonald's fries without ketchup.
Yeah, me too.
I can already tell this is good about the feel of it.
It reminds me of like Five Guys, honestly.
Me too.
So you can get a fry.
Okay.
I was surprised Charlie went just like, start eating it.
I know, we did it.
Alright, you ready?
Alright. That's so good. That's nothing like McDonald's. That's like Five Guys.
I know. It's like
Oh my gosh. Me and Terrell's been dieting, so these are like extra good.
Yeah, these are really good.
God.
But it don't want to taste like McDonald's. But they're still not good.
They kind of have a McDonald's taste, but they got a little different taste.
These are super good.
I don't really know what.
I think cooking them twice really like enhances it.
You could definitely taste that corn syrup in there.
Like the sweetness.
Almost tastes like a sweet potato fry. Like,
Not really.
it has a sweetness to it, you know what I'm saying?
It reminds me of like Five Guys fries.
You could definitely taste that sweetness in there.
Yeah, it does.
These don't taste like homemade fries at all. They taste like they're from a restaurant.
Like,
you know what I'm
yeah,
saying?
like they make in a restaurant.
They got that like authentic, legit taste to them.
You like them? Yeah. Tell the camera what you think.
I like 5.
They're good. I would definitely give these a try. They're definitely worth it there. Some super good fries to make at home.
They only
I
take
think they're like a 10 out of 10.
It's probably the best fry we've definitely made at home ever.
Oh yeah.
the best homemade
I
fries.
don't know, I've never even like done twice before.
They don't
It takes a lot of effort. It might not be something you do every time, but it's definitely worth trying at least one time.
It's literally like an hour-long process.
We've been doing that for like.
Us recording this made it like 10 times longer, but
Yeah, so
it
we've
wouldn't
been
be too
doing it
bad
for
for
like.
recording.
We've been
So
doing
you
it
gotta
for
get
like
to
3
look.
weeks.
Get more. I want a crunchy one.
She loved like burnt stuff.
Yeah, these are like,
You hear it?
these taste just like a restaurant. I've never had fries made
never had
at
fries
home
at home.
from scratch. That was actually just like, this quality is good.
We just put
This is how we did the funnel cake.
2 thumbs up.
4 thumbs up.
Give it a try.
They're good.
Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe.
Share and
I'm about to eat the rest of these fries.
Go check out our other videos.
subscribe to our channel. I'm gonna go get seasoning sauce. Don't eat it all
God.
yet.
That right there.
What you doing, guys?
Who started?
I'll start it.
Hey.
Tell me when.
Your butt and your poop and your
Hey, stop.
pee.
Vegan. 6 pounds. You're just sitting here chilling, eating 6 pounds of gummies.
Yeah, I mean, what else do I do? I'm bored.
Picture traveling, doing nothing different.
Mama. Hi.
Okay. What are you doing?
You will be for girl.
Oh, you're a cute little boy.
Mm.
Thank you.
A girl waking up to play.
You're just playing?
Yeah.
Tell Daddy.
Yes.
You ain't gonna. Oh, is it record?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot.